Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with AARP. I'm Ashton, one of your Kansas City Hy-Vee dietitians. Today we're going to be making a fall recipe using a fall favorite ingredient, apples. Apples are high in fiber and vitamin C, and one medium apple has 20% of your daily needs of fiber. Vitamin C gets a little bit more attention probably this time of the year with cold and flu season coming. So with vitamin C, it boosts your immune system to keep you from getting sick. Also, a fun fact about apples, did you know there are 7,500 different varieties of apples in the world? And in the US, there are 2,500 grown right here. Today we're going to be using a Granny Smith apple, so a pretty common apple that you'll find within your grocery store. And let's get started with making our recipe since you know everything about apples now. We're going to be making a crisp apple and sausage salad today. So what you're going to need is a basic bag of garden salad mix. Also, half a cup of blue cheese, a tablespoon of olive oil. You're going to need a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, half a cup of your favorite honey mustard dressing. You're going to need half of a red onion, our main ingredient, an apple, and a 12-ounce chicken sausage. So what we want to do first is we're going to slice our chicken sausage and heat this in the pan. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to just slice it into small slices. Once we get it sliced, we are going to add in our tablespoon of olive oil into our pan with our sausage and brown our sausage. So it could take a few minutes on the stovetop. Your sausage is usually already fully cooked, so we don't need to cook it completely because it already is. We just want to brown it on the stovetop here. So once you get your chicken sausage sliced up, just like this, we're going to add in our tablespoon of olive oil into our pan. We're going to put our pan over a medium heat, add in our chicken sausage, brown our chicken sausage, and we will see you back in a couple minutes. All right, now that we have our sausage browned, I'm going to let this cool. While this is cooling, we're going to slice our apple and our onion. And how I slice my apple is I just go right around the core here, and I'm going to leave the skin on there. That's where all of your fiber is in your apple. So we're going to discard our core, and we're going to thinly slice our apple so we can top it on our salad. You could really choose any type of apple for this recipe. We chose the Granny Smith. I like the tangy kind of sweet flavor that the Granny Smith gives off with the chicken sausage and the onion flavor. So once we get our apple thinly sliced, we're going to add this into a bowl with our lemon juice, and the lemon juice keeps your apple from turning brown. So you've probably noticed that when you cut an apple, the apple turns brown pretty quickly, and that lemon juice is going to protect that apple from oxidizing and turning brown. All right, we got it thinly sliced. We're going to add this into just a medium-sized bowl. We're going to add our tablespoon of lemon juice on top there, and we're just going to let it sit for a little bit until we get the rest of our salad assembled here. So we're going to set this aside, and we're going to slice our red onion. I'm probably going to cry for you whenever we slice this. Onions always make me cry. It's funny, some people they make cry and some people they don't. It's the chemical in the onion that actually makes you create tears. It's really funny how that works. So what I do to slice my onion is I cut off the top and the bottom. I'm going to lay it down flat. We only need half of a red onion. So I'm going to set the other half aside, and then I lay it down on this side. So we're going to lay it down just like that, and we're just going to thinly slice our onion and put it on top of our salad here. And I'm already getting teary-eyed. Once we got it thinly sliced, we're just going to layer this on top of our nice green salad mix. I chose one that was a romaine salad mix to get some of those darker leafy greens. You could do a spring mix instead of maybe like an iceberg that doesn't offer as much nutrition. But any garden salad mix would be awesome. So we're going to layer that on top. And move this a little closer so you can see it. We're going to put our apples on top here. And then we're going to add half of a cup of our blue cheese. We're going to sprinkle this on top of our salad. Makes a really yummy, colorful, pretty salad for the fall. And then we're just going to add our sausage on top and drizzle our honey mustard dressing on top of our salad. Okay, once we get our chicken sausage on there, grab your favorite honey mustard dressing. And we're going to just drizzle this on top. And you've got a really awesome fall salad that is surely going to wow everyone that's enjoying it. Thanks for joining me today for another episode of What's Cooking with AARP. I will see you soon.